Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the Google Play Store's authentication is required error problem. So for that, the first thing can be that you should check your internet connection, and if your internet connection is not working fine, then you might face this problem. And if your internet is working quite fine, then you can just open up your settings for the second solution, and after that go to your apps or at the app manager, open manage apps, and here search for Play Store. Open it up, and here click on clear data, and just clear all your data and restart your Play Store, and it should work fine. And for the third option, you can just restart your phone and your Google Play Store will be working fine after that. And if it still doesn't work, then you can just simply change the date of your device, and if the time and date on your device is wrong, then you might be facing this problem. So you should just correct your date and time on your device, and App Store will be working quite fine. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.